Well, I'm being refused treatment at Hillingdon, so I'm going. Don't know where. Sorry, lovely. Nice, isn't it? Typical Hillingdon. Useless. Refused treatment at Hillingdon because I exposed a woman who worked here tampering with medical files, Alison Borton. Yeah, she don't work here no more. She got moved. Yeah, they don't sack them. Just move them somewhere else. Story of my life. Where are we going to go, Squimmer here? Yeah, no, I'm doing what you ask, babe. That's it.
It's not my fault, people ain't fucking listening.
No, I just do as I'm told.
Yes, and I don't tell you that much. You make me sound like I'm a fucking arsehole.
No, I don't. I just don't ever tell you no. I'm not allowed to tell anyone no. No, just do what you want to fucking do, Em. I'm just going to fucking record it and shut my fucking mouth.
Do you know what? We've gone so fucking enough right now.
Yeah.
I don't need you fucking losing your temper.
I'm not losing my temper. Thank you very much. That's why I'm recording it.
Yeah, so you can show
No, so people can't. No, so people can't keep calling me or saying something about me. You've just done that twice.
Which they don't. All I'm fucking trying to do is sort it fucking out. You recording that ain't gonna fucking help anyone.
Well, it helps me, keeps me safe because people call me a woman beater.
And still you don't. Because I have said no one is calling you an abuser.
Yeah, police do.
Right, did they just call you an abuser then? No.
That weren't the police. That was hospital security going, oh my God, you've been treated like shit. Oh yeah, I have been treated like shit by the NHS, Hillingdon and the old Bill. So, well, there we go. Phil's been refused treatment again. Told you I just get palmed off. Everybody gets paperwork. Everybody goes to see people and I get a 7-hour wait, which there isn't.
That's the issue. Me and you are an open book, Phil. And we're the ones who are always getting fucking shit.
Yeah, well, I'll tell my story and I will tell my story until they fix it. Right. Needs to be fixed.
And don't you think I fucking know that?
Well, I've got my hands full, babe. What do you want me to do?
You got your hands full. Oh.
Well, yeah, give me that. What do you want me? I can't win shit, can I? So this is it, right? She'll have talk to professionals, and I get it in the neck, and this is where people think that they're saying or telling her one thing, or I don't know, mate. I've really got no one in it. Onwards and upwards, Phil, you'll be dead soon. Just think of that, mate. You won't have to suffer no more of this fucking crap. Trolls, cross-watchers, wankers. Oh, look. Mr. Foxy. Hello, Mr. Fox. Watch his ears. Oh. Oh, bless him. Cool, foxes are cool.